Attention! This is a Priority 1 advisory. Industrial Performance Group Intelligence has established that a proactive lubrication selection process is key to shielding gearboxes from destructive threats and failures. Your mission is to prepare your crew for proper lubricant assessment. Our team of experts has mobilized to assist you.
You should always start with OEM recommendations. From there, your operating conditions help you dial in precisely the right lubricant choices. Look at the loads, temperatures, and speeds your gearboxes must contend with to determine the optimal viscosity.
Next, consider the contaminants you typically face. The right additive package can help protect against solids, rust, and corrosion to reduce wear while ensuring seal compatibility.
Factor in gear type. For example, when worm gears turn, there is more sliding than rolling, so they work more efficiently when the lubricant has higher lubricity.
Also, think about gearbox location. If it's remote or hard to access, you need a gear oil formulated for long life.
The Industrial Performance Group is here to guide your mission with expertise and premium products from our Meropa family of gear oils. HQ is standing by for your questions. You are now equipped to proceed.